If you want to be able to call and text on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and link your tablet with your Galaxy smartphone, then in that case you want to open Settings. Now on the left side we're going to switch to Connected Devices and then go to Call and Text on other devices. Now in here you should be able to find your information about the Samsung account, for example. You might also find your phone over here immediately. If not, then there is also an option that you will find a button that allows you to generate a QR code that can be scanned on your Galaxy smartphone in order to connect your smartphone with your Galaxy tablet. And then over here we also have allow calling and texting on this tablet, which of course we can turn on. Besides that, we can go to Quick Settings or the Control Center, and over here you should be able to find the same option, the call and text on other devices, somewhere over here in this section, so you can use that as well, as long as these two options, this option is enabled on both devices, your Galaxy tablet and Galaxy smartphone, then you should be able to call and text on your tablet. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.